In Python programming, built-in language features we have covered variables, data types, basic mathematical operations, operator precedence, string operations, functions, conditional statements, classes and objects, Python collections, arrays, sets, tuples, list, dictionaries, loops, file operations, exceptions. And we haven't seen so far a standard library so far. We will see after completion of all the programs once again in Python. So these are the standard libraries for advanced Python programming. We are discussing all these libraries. Python is so popular because of rich number of libraries are presented. And standard libraries like NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, Matplotlib, NLTK, TensorFlow, Keras and PyTorch. NumPy for numeric Python, we are calculating all the numerics of numerical problems. Then scientific Python is SciPy is nothing but scientific calculations we are solving. Pandas is used for data set description and manipulation purpose. Scikit-learn for machine learning classification clustering purpose. Matplotlib for visualization purpose, graphs generation. Natural language toolkit NLTK for conversion of one language to another language, one program, one voice to another voice. Like that we are conversion we are using NLTK, natural language study of different languages. Then TensorFlow for AI, big data, machine learning application purpose we are using. Keras also like deep neural networks, artificial intelligence, big data purpose we are using Keras. And PyTorch for machine learning applications for salvation. Then how to write code in, we are using IDLE scripting way. Then one more way of executing Google Colab. Jupyter Notebook is a editor where we are writing code. PyCharm also one of the IDLE. IDLE stands for Integration Development Learning Environment. And scripting way we are writing our own code in order to perform any type of logical programs. To clear in console in Windows version we are using import os.system of CLS for Windows. In command prompt IDLE we are clearing the screen. Then control plus L for Linux or Mac OS. This is the syllabus we have discussed already. And overview of Python, here we are covering Pandas and Matplotlib library. Basic syntax and data structures we are going to discuss. Data import and manipulation. Here we are using Pandas library. And data cleaning and pre-processing techniques, what are there, we are discussing. Then subsetting and merging data sets we are using. Data visualization, introduction to Matplotlib and Seaborn for creating visualizations we are using. Creating basic plots like scatter plots, bar plot, histograms, etc. Customizing plot aesthetics and themes we are discussing. So in statistical analysis, we are using descriptive statistics with Pandas, inferential statistics using SciPy. I have explained already scientific Python. We are using statistical operations like t-test, ANOVA, analysis of variance is called ANOVA, regression analysis, interpreting results and drawing conclusions. Then advanced topics like working with large data sets efficiently. Introduction to machine learning in Python with scikit-learn. Introduction to deep learning in Python with Keras and TensorFlow. Case studies like groundwater data analysis using AI, ML and DL techniques. Climate change data analysis using AI, ML and DL techniques. Wastewater plant data analysis using AI, ML and DL techniques. Then I have already explained Python programming is developed by Guido van Rossum. He is from Netherlands, 1980, and it is a successor of ABC programming. Python can be executed in two ways like IDLE, Integration Development Learning Environment, and scripting way where we are writing our own code and we are compiling and executing and finally we are deploying the program. Python data types are integer, string, float, double, etc. Python collections like arrays, lists, sets, tuples and dictionaries. Python supports mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division, floor, and square root. Okay, exponentiation. We used to call it as. So Python has two types of comments like a single line comments and multi-line comments. For single line comments we are using hash. For multi-line comments we are using triple quotes. Python supports loop statements like for and while statements. Python is a case sensitive programming language because in our keyboard there is a difference between capital A and small a. That's why it is called case sensitive programming language. Python is a popular language because it is having a rich number of libraries or packages or API, application programming interface. Python latest software version right now we are using 3.13.2. Python keywords cannot be used as identifier or variable name. Like if you cannot use as a variable. Okay, if is a keyword actually. Keywords are reserved words. You cannot use it as a identifier or variable name. Python must start with a letter or an underscore. Python must contain only letters, digits and underscores. Data types are two types in Python: mutable data types, immutable data types. Mutable data types are changeable. Examples like list, set, dictionary, byte array. Immutable not changeable. Examples are integer, float, byte, string, tuples, frozen set, etc. Python as a versatile and powerful language widely used in various fields such as data science, artificial intelligence, big data applications, IoT, and blockchain technology, web development and automation. Pandas, which is a commonly used for data manipulation and analysis, and matplotlib is a library, a powerful plotting library for creating visualizations like graphs we are creating. An overview of Python includes its versatile capabilities along with the popular libraries such as Pandas for data manipulation and matplotlib for data visualization, etc. So variables, Python variables are why we are using variables: to store data values and do not require explicit declaration. That's why variable is a varying value at runtime duration. We have n number of variable types like static variables, dynamic variables, automatic variables, register variables, external variables. Okay, Ramchan,
Yes, sir.
etc. Data types are, I have explained, it supports various data types such as integers, float, strings, list, tuples, and dictionaries. Basic mathematical operations like Python provides arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Operator precedence explains Python follows PEMDAS. PEMDAS is nothing but parenthesis and exponentiation, and M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction, rules for evaluating expression. Then a string operation. String is a collection of characters ended with double quotes. String manipulation using functions like dot upper, parenthesis begin, parenthesis close, dot lower, dot replace, and slicing. Then functions. Function is a set of rules to perform specific task. Python functions are defined using the def keyword and can have parameters and return values. Conditional statements are if, elif, and else statements. Python supports decision making statements like if, elif, and else statements. Classes and objects. Python is an object oriented programming language and it allowing the creation of reusable classes and objects. Then Python collections we have seen already. Arrays or powerful Python collection. It is used to store multiple values in a single variable. Int a of 10. A is a array name, 10 is a number, and 10 numbers you can store. Implemented using the array module of NumPy we are using library. Sets. A set is a Python collection. It is an unordered collection of unique elements defined using flower brace, curly braces. And set sometimes it is uses parenthesis also. Tuples are Python collections are immutable sequences, meaning their values cannot be changed after assignment or defined using parentheses. List is a Python collection. It is a mutable ordered sequence of elements in Python defined using square brackets. Dictionaries is a Python collection. Dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pairs defined using flower brace with the key value pairs separated by colons. We have executed programs also. Then control flow is nothing but we have loops, file operations and exceptions. So in Python provides for is a loop statement. For iteration purpose we are using, and while loop to iterate over sequence or execute a block of code multiple times. Then the next topic is a file operations. Python allows reading and writing files using built-in functions like open, read and write, etc. Exceptions are Python uses try except blocks to handle errors and prevent program caches. Then standard libraries we have seen NumPy, Numeric Python, SciPy, Scientific Python, Pandas for data set description, NumPy for arrays calculation purpose, numerical calculations, etc. SciPy for scientific operations and linear algebra, etc. Pandas for data description, for data set manipulation, and we are creating data frames and series. Scikit-learn for machine learning library that includes we are solving classification, regression, clustering, outlier detection, association, rule mining, and recommender engine, etc. Then we are going for matplotlib for generating different types of graphs like plots, histogram, bar chart, pie chart, scatter plot, other graphs. NLTK for natural language toolkit. It provides tools for processing and analyzing human language data like study of different languages, linguistics, etc. TensorFlow is an open source deep learning framework developed by Google for training neural networks, etc. Keras is for high level neural networks application programming interface running on top of TensorFlow designed for fast experimentation. Then PyTorch, it is one of the famous library to solve machine and deep learning framework widely used in artificial intelligence research and applications. How to write code in Python? We have a number of ways like Google Colab, we are executing the programs. That is a cloud-based Google Colab is a cloud-based platform, Jupyter Notebook environment that allows users to run Python code without local setup. That is provided by the Google company, Google Colab. Jupyter Notebook provides an interactive coding environment for data science and visualization tasks. PyCharm is a popular integrated development environment that is ideally for Python development offering debugging and automation tools, etc. Then IDLE stands for Integration Development Learning Environment. It provides a lightweight interface for writing and executing Python scripts. Scripting way we are writing Python scripts can be written in .py files and executed from the command line using Python filename.py. So far we have executed. Clearing the console for Windows we are using os system of CLS. Okay, import OS followed by os.system of CLS. Linux or Mac OS, the console can be cleared using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+L. So Python programming last class, if anything missed, I am going to cover today. Built-in language features like variables, it is used to store information to be referenced and manipulated in a program. X is a variable, we are assigning 10. So now if you type X value, it will print 10. If you ask type means it print integer. And if you ask ID of X means it will print address location where it is stored in the memory structure. Then y is equal to within the double quotation hello. That is a string, Ramchan. It
Yes,
is a
sir.
string, collection of characters enclosed with a double quotation. Data types are integer, example 5, float 5.0, strings hello, and boolean true or false. Then basic mathematical operations plus addition, subtraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor. Two slashes is called floor. Then you can ask doubt. Uh, what is the difference between floor and modulo division? Ramchand, do you have any idea?
When I say floor, it will give the remainder value. If it is a value with, let's say 3.5, the point 0.5 will be eliminated,
Very
and
good.
it will, yeah. Uh,
And
when it
what
is
about
modulo,
remainder? Modular division.
modulo will give me the remainder.
Ah, correct. And star star, it what is the meaning of star star?
Exponential. Let's say 2 star star 3 will be 8.
2 power 3. Perfect
3.
answer. Then operator precedence determine the order in which multiple operations are performed. String operations like common operations we are performing. String concatenation, we are adding the two strings. Then string repetition, we are performing that operation. Slicing, we are cutting the string. Hello plus word, that is called concatenation. Hello multiplied by 3, it is a repetition. Then Python has two membership operators like in and not in. These operators are used to test if a value is a member of sequence or collection such as a list, tuple or set. The in operator returns true if the left operand is a member of the right operand and false otherwise. Example, my underscore list we have executed, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 3 in my list, immediately it says true. 5 in my list, false, because 5 is not in the list. So the not in operator returns true if the left operand is not a member of the right operand and false otherwise. For example, my underscore tuple equal to within the parenthesis apple, banana, orange. So these are the collection of elements within the parenthesis. We can call it as a tuple. It is immutable, Ramchand. Once you declare,
Sorry, sir.
it is a immutable. Can you justify the answer?
Immutable in the sense,
Once we declare, we cannot change the values.
it. Yes, sir.
Then banana not in my tuple. Immediately it says banana. It is there in the tuple list. Tuple. Then it returns false. Grape not in my tuple. Yes, grape is not a item of a tuple. True. Then Python has two identity operators like is and is not. These operators are used to compare the memory locations of two objects. For that purpose, we are using identity operator. You know ID of x, ID of y. We have tried Ramchan last
Yes, sir.
class.
It gives us the location, isn't it?
Address of the particular value of x or y something. So that's why identity operators are used to compare the memory locations of two objects. Keep in mind, I'll ask you this question to check whether they refer to the same object or not. The is operator returns true if the two operands refer to the same object and false otherwise. For example, x is equal to 1, 2, 3, y is equal to 1, 2, 3, z is equal to x. X value we are assigned to z, z is y. Then immediately it says false. Then x is z, then it returns true. Then the is not operator returns true if the two operands do not refer to the same object and false otherwise. So A is equal to hello, B is equal to word. A is not B, yes, true. Then you are assigning A value to the C. C become hello. A is not C, false. Then function block last class we have executed. Name is Dr. Asadi. We are defining function is a set of set of statements to perform specific task. Def is a keyword, greet is a function, name is a variable. So in the variable we have assigned Dr. Asadi. The syntax is return hello plus name. It returns. Then you are calling the function greet of name. Immediately it returns Dr. Asadi. Then
Sir, a question, sir.
yes, please.
Okay, in the third line, there is something called hello
Yeah.
plus name, isn't it, sir?
Yes, plus name.
So when I say return, hello, Dr. Asadi will be returned to the name variable which is declared in the first line, isn't it, sir?
Yeah, correct. Greet. Yeah, correct.
Okay, and then
We
the
are
greet has
calling
a
the
name.
function. This is way
Yeah.
of for calling the function. Greet of
Okay.
name.
So it will be greet of hello, Dr. Asadi, and when we are calling in the last line, it will print.
Yes, yes. Hello,
Okay,
Dr.
sir.
Asadi. It will print.
Okay, sir.
सब्जी नहीं डाला
खाली राइस है ये।
हाँ इसमें दाल को देना
दाल तो शाम को डालो रसम।
सांबर सांबर थोड़ा
हाँ हाँ ठीक है।
मैं क्लास में है सॉरी then what is your doubt Ramchand?
My doubt is clear, sir.
Okay. Then conditional statements if, elif and else. So x is equal 10. If x greater than 10 colon print greater elif x exactly equal 10 print equal else then print smaller. This is the conditional statements. Then what is meant by class and object? So classes and objects are object oriented programming features. A class defines attributes and behaviors. Class is a collection of objects. Attributes and behavior is called class. Now my class name is a dog. See now, dog with D is a capital letter colon. Def is a keyword. Bark is a function. Self is a you can call it as a constructor. Print woof. So this is way of declaring class. Okay. Then Python collections we have seen arrays, fixed size collection. Because arrays are fixed size. In Python we generally use list instead. Sets unordered collection with no duplicate elements. Tuples in
Sir, 1 minute.
yeah
Sorry to
yeah
interrupt.
yeah please ask me.
So class name of the class is dog, and
Yeah
then we are defining a function,
function
and
bark.
we have something inside self, isn't it, sir?
Yes that is
Which is
constructor. Automatically it will
and-
call.
okay.
It will call
So,
automatically to print woof. That's all. Nothing else.
okay, sir. Okay.
We will execute
Okay,
tuples
sir.
are immutable ordered collection. List mutable ordered collection. Dictionaries collection of key value pairs. Then write a Python. This program you have done already. People is a variable we have declared within the square brackets. Dr. Asadi Jose Jenkins. Print people means entire thing it
It
will
will,
print.
yeah,
Ah,
it will print
okay.
all the values.
Yes, all the list, all the collection of items it will print. Print people of zero means which value will print? Which value will print?
Dr.
It will print
Asadi,
first.
Dr. Asadi, Dr. Asadi.
Yes. Yes, it will print Dr. Asadi, and in the first that is zeroth location, and that's all. Next you can see print people of one means next location. Print people
Sure.
of two means next location likewise. Write a Python program to print list. This list equal to square bracket begin class date time. It will print all the three items. Then write a Python program to perform tuples. This tuple equal to blue, red, green. We have print already this one. It will print all the items. Write a Python program to print sets. This set consists of three items within the flower brace. Print this set means it will print all the three items. Write a Python program to print dictionaries. This dict is a variable name. Name colon Charles. Name 1 colon Jackson. Name 2 colon Dr. Asadi. Print this dict means it will print all the items of the key value pairs. Ramchand, here
Yes, sir.
key value pair you can remember. Then loop statements are for and while statements, and file operations like open, read, write, and close files. Suppose one example with open parenthesis begin file name ramchand.txt. In the txt text file you can write any program that is in R mode as a file. Content equal to file.read. You can read the file, entire file. You can print also. Okay. So we
Okay,
will
sir.
do this program at the end of the Python program. Then exceptions are special concepts in Python. It handles errors in Python like exceptions occurring at runtime duration. Suppose divided by zero error, zero exception, like Python with try except finally we are solving the problems. Then coding platforms I have explained already, Google Colab and Jupyter Notebook. It is provided by the Google. It allows for Python code execution in cells alongside with the market down nodes. PyCharm, it is an integrated development environment for Python by JetBrains, ideally integrated development and learning environment. Then standard libraries are there, NumPy for numeric Python for arrays calculation, matrices, etc. Scientific Python for building on top of NumPy. It's used for high level computation, scientific Python. Pandas for data analysis library, scikit-learn for machine learning library, matplotlib for plotting and visualization, NLTK for natural language toolkit for linguistic data analysis, TensorFlow, Keras libraries for deep learning, PyTorch for another library for deep learning from Facebook's AI research laboratory. PyTorch developed by Facebook company actually. Then scripting way we are writing program .py we are using. Then clearing the console we are using import os.system.cls. For Linux and Mac OS we are using Control L. Then why we are using Python, Ramchan? Easy to learn. Is it true? Yes.
Yes.
Easy to
Not
maintain. Yeah. Any
yes, sir.
doubt so far?
No, no, sir. Clear.
Then easy syntax is syntax is not a difficulty, but while performing in IDLE you need to remember indentation. That is the only problem. Remaining syntax is very easy. Bulk library, yes, and it supports many technologies like AI, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer vision, etc. Database commercial support. Python provides interfaces to all major COM database. For that purpose we are using Python programming. It is interpreted means it translates source code into machine code. You know, Ramchan, source code means you are writing English as a text. It converts into machine code means ones and zeros. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then interactive, because ideally we are using that is interactive with the interpreter directly to write your programs, because x is equal 10, immediately you are asking what is x. It is giving value. That is called interactive mode. Then high
Okay, sir.
level. Python is a high level programming language because it uses English as a language. It is designed to be easier for humans to read. That's why it is a high level language. It is object oriented programming language because it supports all the classes and objects, inheritance, polymorphism, exception handling, etc. And we are solving real time applications. Then what are the features of Python programming? Easy to learn and readable language, interpreted language, dynamic. See, any doubt if you are having, ask me. So dynamically typed language, yes, we are solved yesterday a few programs in dynamic mode, you know, static
Sir,
mode and dynamic
what is
mode.
what is interpreted, sir? Interpret.
Interpreted means, see, the program you are writing in English language text, okay, then it is
Mhm.
converted into machine code, interpreted. So
Okay, okay,
that is called interpreted language. Okay,
okay.
dynamically typed
Yes,
means dynamically you are taking input from the keyboard, you know. Yesterday
yes,
you
sir.
have done static and dynamic typed language. Open source and free. Python is a open source. It is a free. Everywhere, wherever you want to download, and you can add your own patches to the existing software, that is called open source. And a large standard library, large community support means everybody can contribute. Platform independent means you can execute in Windows, you can execute in Mac OS, you can execute in Linux, etc. It supports graphical user interface also. Python features like easy to write, easy to understand, object oriented, robust standard libraries, supports various programming paradigms, supports for interactive mode, dynamically typed and type checking, and databases and graphical user interface programming language, extensible language because it supports inheritance concept, portable, You can run in any platform. Okay, and scalable, the size also increases, and integrated, it can support different file formats. Automatic garbage collection is there. Free and open source is there. Any doubt in this one, Ramchan?
Clear, sir.
So Python keywords are many keywords are there, like value keywords are there. Those are the true, false, none. None, whenever you are using capital N must be there. Value keywords, wherever you are using true, capital T must be there. That is a rule you need to learn. False, capital F must be there. Okay.
Okay,
Operator
sir.
keywords like and, or, not, in, is. These are the operator keywords. You need to use small letters only. Control flow keywords like if, elif, else. Iterator keywords for, while, break, continue, else. Structure keywords def, okay, class, with, as, pass, lambda, etc. Returning keywords return, yield, etc. Import keywords import, space, from, comma, as, etc. These are the various Python keywords. So Python is so popular programming language that is widely used for developing a wide range of applications, from web development to scientific computing. So here is an example of simple Python program that prints hello world to the console. Print hello world. If you are directly, it can print. If you are assigning to the variable like name is a variable equal to input of what is your name. That is yesterday we have seen. Okay, int of, input of, like that. If you want to read string like this, you can write. Okay, Ramchan.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, then print hello plus name plus exclamatory symbol, no problem. Create a dictionary. How to create a dictionary? Based on the key value pair. Person is a variable, name is a key and assigned with John value. Age is a key assigned with 30. City is a key, value is New York. Like that you can execute, it will print John age New York. John age New York, like that. Retrieve values from the dictionary like print person of name, it will print John. Print person of age, it will print 30. Print person of city, it will print New York. So theory part I will cover and later we'll start practicals. So Python operators are 7 types like arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and bitwise operators, identity operators, membership operators. These are the various types of operators. And operator precedence example have see like addition operator, lower precedence, higher precedence. So the order might be presented in a table that I will explain. 10 plus 20 multiplied by 30. So star having highest precedence, first it will execute. 20 multiplied by 30, like BODMAS bracket, like PEDMA something I have given. Okay. So 60 plus 10, 70. Like that it will execute. So operator precedence follows the execution of mathematical operation. In Python is similar to the order used in conventional mathematical, same. Then in maths, here are the 3 general operator precedence priority levels we are using. Exponents and roots having highest priority. Then multiplication, division and modulo division. Then addition and subtraction. Keep in mind at least, Ramchan, these 3
Yes, sir.
points. The short form of operator precedence is BODMAS. BODMAS is nothing but first within the parenthesis brackets, then order, then division, then multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, highest precedence here brackets, then lowest precedence subtraction. Keep in mind.
Sir, orders. What is orders, sir? Orders.
Orders means like star and
Okay.
plus. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay,
that
sir.
order we need to take. Okay, that table is there, I will show you and explain. Then operator precedence like see exponential first highest precedence, then followed by the negation symbol x plus x minus x, these having highest precedence. Then star multiplication, division, modular division, floor, then plus minus, then exactly equal to, not equal to, less than equal to, less than, greater than, is not, Is not, not. This is the way of operator precedence in Python programming by using BODMAS. Bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Keep in mind. Can you expand BODMAS, Ramchan?
Brackets, order,
Ah,
division, multiplication, addition, subtraction.
perfect, perfect. So variable, I have explained already. Variable varying value at a runtime duration. Okay, so
Yes.
variables are fundamental concept in Python programming. Variables are containers for storing data values, temporarily store data in a computer's memory. So variable a equal to 10 means create variable name equal to some name, multiple assignment, like you can do a equal to b equal to c equal to 1. That means each variable value is 1. Then a b c d equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now a is 1, b is 2, c is 3, d equal to 4, like this. Okay, keep in mind the
Yes.
differentiation.
Yes.
Then
Yes, sir.
casting means we are converting a integer to float, float to integer. X is equal to str of 10 1 0, y is equal to float of 1 0. That is called type casting. Okay, then get the data type x is equal to 10, print type of x means it is integer, type of x means. Then standard and data type, it is a data type, integer. Data types are numeric data type, like integer equal to a is equal to 10, float a equal to 10.5, complex a equal to 1 plus 2 2j, that is a complex numeric data type. Then sequence is a data type, like a string. How do we can declare name equal to Philip within the double quotation. List profile, like within the square bracket Philip 26 Pantech etc. Tuple equal to profile within the parenthesis Philip 26 Pantech. Then set is a my set equal to within the flower brace apple, banana, cherry. Dictionary dixt based on the key value pair. Name equal to Philip, age equal to 26, and qualification. Boolean true or false. T and F must be capital letters. Then Python basic data types. From here onwards, we will solve the programs. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
Boolean is nothing but it is a data type, is a true value, either true or false. The Boolean operators order priority, like not x, x and y, and x or y. It follows like that. These comparison operators evaluated true, 1 less than 2, and 0 less than or equal to 1, and 3 greater than 2, and 2 greater than or equal to 2, like it returns true. So now how to execute the Boolean operators, right side. Can you open your screen?
Okay, sir. I'll share my screen.
Yeah, please share your screen. So I'm joining with my uh, my mobile also. Please allow me so that I'm checking parallelly. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now share your screen. Yes. Yes. Now, first CLS, clear the screen. Now, now you have to execute like this. First Boolean algebra. X comma y equal to true comma false. X.
1 minute, sir.
Now type Python. You are coming to ideal. Just enter. Yes. Here clear the screen. Import os dot system of CLS. Perfect. Now you can write here hash boolean. Okay, no problem. No, don't write if and all. Why? X comma y. We are solving boolean operators.
Okay, okay. I was just typing to. Okay, sir. Sorry.
X comma y equal to true comma false. Whenever you are writing true, capital T must be there. true comma false. You give a small f, it will throw error. You can check. Okay, first type. Okay, enter. Now do enter. Now check the x value. X enter. Y enter. Now repeat that step again. X comma y equal to true comma false. Now anyone you can use small letter. What type of error it throws? See, now read the error.
Okay, a false is not defined.
Ah,
Okay.
because it is a keyword, boolean function
Yes, sir.
keyword. Okay, you understood boolean operators, how it is working?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now next one, print parenthesis begin x space and not,
Ampersand, sir.
no, just a and not space y parenthesis close. Why it is written true? Because,
Um,
because x value you have already assigned true, y value
True.
you have
Okay.
assigned false. Okay,
False.
previous interaction it will continue. Okay,
Okay.
so next statement, print.
Sir, 1 minute. 1 minute. Just because we say not y, it's not printing false, is it?
Yeah, that's what. One more example we will check now.
Okay.
Print parenthesis
Okay.
begin, print parenthesis
Okay.
begin, not space x, not, correct, x space and and space y space r space x parenthesis close. Now it returns true. Why? Press enter.
Okay, sir. 1 minute. Let me think and understand.
Yeah,
We are saying not x, so x is already there,
yeah.
and y
Mm.
or x. Just because we have or, it will print a true.
Correct.
Okay.
So
Okay, sir.
next, if condition evaluates to false. Um,
Mm.
some examples are
Sorry,
there.
sir.
What happened?
Now I will say import OS to clear the screen, sir.
No problem, no problem. So then we are going for arithmetic operations. You have done already all the arithmetic operations. Once again, if you want to do, no problem. Can we perform?
We can proceed, sir. The next
Yes.
examples.
Okay. Next, indexing and slicing. Can we do now? Indexing and slicing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, S is equal to, write down. Small s
I
equal
will write the
to,
heading, sir. I will write the heading, sir.
uh,
Yes, sir.
S is equal to,
Okay.
double quotes begin.
Okay.
The youngest pope was 11 years old. Write down that statement. The youngest pope was 11 years old within the double quotation. Yes, perfect. Enter. Now type S. Enter. Now write down print parenthesis begin S of 0. S of means square bracket. Sorry, 1 minute. S of means square bracket 0, square bracket close, parenthesis close. Yes, enter. Why it printed T? Can you explain?
The very first character in the sentence is located at S of 0, so T is printed.
Oh, very good. Next, same way, print parenthesis begin S of square, print of S of square bracket begin 1 colon 3, 1:3 square bracket close, parenthesis close. Now
So
think about.
now already, T is in 0, so one will be H E space.
Mm,
H E space will be printing.
very good, very good, very good. HE it will print. Perfect answer. Next question.
Yeah.
Print parenthesis begin S of square root be square bracket begin -3 colon -1. square bracket close, parenthesis close. Now you have to tell me the answer. Think over. So
Okay,
I'll give
minus.
you hint. From right side
Hmm.
onwards it starts minus 1. Okay.
Okay.
So 0, I mean 0, right side minus 0, minus 1, like that it will start.
Okay, so 0 minus 1. Minus 1 is L.
Correct?
So from L, yeah, from L, minus 2 is 0, minus 3 is the space. So LO, I believe.
Ah, ha, ha. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Now, next print. Parenthesis begin S of. S of means square root, I mean square bracket, minus 3 colon. Simple. Minus 3 colon, square bracket close,
Mhm.
parenthesis close. Now what it
So
will print? Tell me. How many
minus
letters
3
it
is
will
actually
print?
the space. Minus 3 is actually the space.
Yes, correct. Remaining
Uh,
letters it will print. So it will
okay.
start D L O O L D. It will print. Huh?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You understood now how slicing is working, indexing how it is
Yes, sir.
working.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Next question. X is equal to X is equal to
Okay, sir.
S dot split parenthesis
Okay.
begin parenthesis close. X is equal to S dot split parenthesis begin. What is that meaning? First try to understand. It
Split the sentence.
string array of words. Okay, S means string array of words. Okay,
Okay.
just enter. Now type X, enter. So what it printed?
Oh, okay,
Ah,
okay, okay. Every word in the sentence is being splitted.
perfect. That is the reason it creates a string array of words. Are you understanding?
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Split. How split function is working, Ramchan? S dot. S already string is there. Entire
Yeah.
entire statement is there. The youngest pope was 11-year old. Okay, 11 years. Next question.
Okay.
Can you try next question?
Yes, sir.
Print print of x of square bracket minus 3 square bracket close, minus 3 square bracket close, plus double quotes begin, space, double quotes closes, then plus space x of means square bracket begin, minus 1 square bracket close, then plus space I mean parents, I mean double quotes begin, space, double quote closes, plus space x of 2, x of x square bracket 2 square bracket 2 closes, space, plus within the double quotation yes, yes, double, no, not s, general s, letter s, yes, yes. Now, what you are expecting? Think over. Parenthesis close.
Okay. So minus 3 in the sense, as we know already, minus 3 is old
Ah,
space.
ah.
Minus 1. Minus
Because
1 is D.
because here you need to take split. We have done already split.
Oh, the split.
Ah,
Okay, okay, okay.
in the above
So can I
example
say,
continuation. Above example
okay.
continuation. That means 11. 11 where it is there? 11 years old. In the
Sir, 1 minute, 1 minute.
ah,
Can I say x of 0 will be the, x
correct.
of 1 will be youngest, x of 2 will be people, x of
Correct.
3 will be was,
Correct. Think
like
over.
that, like it goes. When I say minus 3,
Yes.
can I say old is minus 3
Yes. Think.
and minus 1 is 11
Correct. Correct.
and x of 2 is Pope.
Correct, correct. Very good, very good. Enter.
Yeah.
See, 11 old people.
Yes.
Above in the above statement it came. Actually, okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So this is the way we are working on indexing and slicing. Then most important string methods. Can we perform string operations now?
No, sir, I have to go to the department. Sorry.
Oh, sorry, sorry. This time is I'm not understanding your timing. Tell me now.
Sir, actually, my college starts at 1 o'clock.